Hello, I'm done. Got finished with screwing the case together. Didn't seem to be too bad. Got a couple extra leftover parts. A little nut and one toggle switches, maybe if they break or something. Well, I did have to take it all back apart because I didn't realize I had to put two screw there, screw there, screw there, and a screw there. But everything's sandwiched up pretty good. Still got your connectors for the here hole for here. I wish they had a couple holes for the trim pots, but they don't. You got a hole here for your adapter power, your BNC. I ain't gonna plug it up, but maybe if it was covered in a kind of like a copper tape, it'd be even better. Get rid of some of that RFI. Make the signal look a little nicer. But this is the DSO138, and it's a nice little toy. If you like projects, I recommend getting one. Thank you.